My name is Dirk Helbing. I'm working at ETH Zurich, one of the big universities in Switzerland, and I have a physics background, but consider myself a complexity scientist, and now I'm working as professor for sociology. I'm actually coming up with a big European project called Future ICT, and I'm creating with many colleagues a joint scientific vision. I think synergy is when the energy of many people flow together to reach a common goal, basically. And that requires that people share their ideas with each other and find a common ground, have common goals, which cannot be reached by a single individual. So it's very important that people put their heads together in order to come up with new ideas actually by an exchange of their opinions, of their knowledge, and so on. And that basically is an extremely creative process. I like to invite people to our university. I like to organize international workshops with people from different communities, like physicists, complex systems scientists, sociologists, economists, biologists, and so on, computer scientists as well. And I find it extremely inspiring to hear about those different approaches, to talk to people about it and find out what we can do together. A common language, basically, to find a way to understand each other despite different interests and backgrounds. So that usually takes quite a bit of time to learn how people understand certain terms, what is their vision, and only then actually a common understanding can come up. So it requires an additional investment basically to overcome obstacles on the way. My dream is that on global scale, people will find together in order to address the global challenges in a joint way. The financial crisis is just one example that shows how difficult our times are with economic impacts on political and social stability. It worries many people, and it's only one of the global problems that we are facing. In principle, in order to address these problems, we need to change our view of the world. We need to have a paradigm shift because those problems cannot be solved within our current paradigm. So it's very important to overcome the disciplinary silo thinking. We need to bring together social scientists, economists, natural scientists, also complexity scientists, computer scientists, and many other people basically, and of course also citizens and policymakers and business people, to combine the best of our knowledge and ideas in order to address these problems. So we need to create a platform for this exchange, and everybody who is motivated to make a contribution to the solution of this problem should have an opportunity to contribute to this. And actually, it's happening. So I have this opportunity to guide basically one of the European flagship project called Future ICT, and we're extremely excited about the many people who are coming together from all over the world actually, not only from Europe and from all different disciplines, but also from the United States, from Japan and China, Singapore, Australia, and many other countries. So this is extremely exciting. I'm very happy that now, as we are facing so many crises, also people team up in order to find new solutions.